Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. If you guys are new to Guide Infinity, if you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. Okay, so let's jump into it. So as you can see, we're starting in canva.com and I have got this blank template here. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the left-hand side and we're going to click on this apps button. We are then going to type in at the top embed and hit the search button, and then we are going to select this top option here that says embed. So if you click on that, and then we are going to come down this purple button at the bottom that says open. So if you give that a click, and then as you can see at the top here, it says paste web link here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to hop over to our YouTube channel. So here we are on our YouTube channel. And what I'm going to do is just select this video here by clicking on it. I'm going to come down underneath the video where it says share. So if you give that a click, and as you can see, it has created this link for us. So if you hit on the blue copy button, there we go. It has copied that link for us. We're then going to go back onto Canva, and where it says here, paste web link here, what we're going to do is paste that in and then press add to design. And amazing. So Canva has loaded that video in for us, which looks brilliant. It's got the thumbnail as well. So that is fantastic. So if you want to upload this onto your website, what you need to do is you need to come up to the top right button where it says share. So give that a click. You then want to scroll down to the bottom and click on more. And then where it says embed, if you click on that, and then you can press embed, and then what it does is it gives you a HTML embed code. So what you can do is you can copy that and then you can paste that onto your website. Also, what you need to do is if you want this image to be clickable with the link, you need to make sure that if you are downloading it, that you save it as a PDF. Otherwise, the link will not work. And that's it, guys. That is how to embed a YouTube video in Canva. I really hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could hit the like button and the subscribe button, that would be amazing. And I will see you guys in the next one.